Welcome to our video on professional versus DIY bathroom plumbing. In this video, we will discuss the situations when it's best to call a plumber instead of tackling the plumbing tasks yourself. Whether you're facing a leaky faucet, a clogged drain, or a more complex plumbing issue, making the right decision can save you time, money, and potentially prevent further damage. Let's dive in. Knowing when to call a professional plumber is crucial. While there are some minor plumbing issues that you can fix on your own, certain situations demand the expertise of a licensed plumber. If you're dealing with a major leak, a sewage backup, a burst pipe, or a complete bathroom remodel, it's best to rely on a professional. They have the knowledge, skills, and specialized tools to handle these complex tasks efficiently and safely. Hiring a professional plumber comes with numerous benefits. Firstly, they have years of experience and knowledge in the field, allowing them to quickly diagnose the problem and provide an accurate solution. Additionally, they are equipped with the latest tools and technology to efficiently handle any plumbing issue. Moreover, professional plumbers adhere to strict safety standards, ensuring that the job is done correctly without any risks. Lastly, they usually offer warranties for their work, giving you peace of mind knowing that you can reach out to them if any issues arise after the service. While certain plumbing tasks require professional assistance, there are some smaller DIY projects that you can tackle yourself. Simple repairs like fixing a leaky faucet, replacing a toilet flapper, or clearing a minor clog can often be done without the need for a plumber. However, it's important to know your limits. If you're unsure or uncomfortable with the task at hand, it's better to seek professional help to avoid causing further damage or creating safety hazards. In conclusion, understanding when to call a professional plumber versus when to take on a plumbing task yourself is essential. For major issues, complex installations, or extensive renovations, it's wise to hire a licensed plumber. They have the expertise and tools to complete the job efficiently and effectively. However, for minor repairs and simple tasks, DIY plumbing may be appropriate if you have the skills and confidence. Remember to always prioritize safety and reach out for professional help when needed. Thank you for watching.